How to enable double tap to lock iPhone feature. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enable double tap to lock iPhone feature. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down. Now you will need to head over to accessibility. So tap on accessibility, and after you're there, scroll down till you find the touch option. Now it's under physical and motor, so tap on touch. And now what you'll need to do is you'll need to make sure that assistive touch is turned on. So turn this on, and after you turn this on, you will see this icon appear, this black circle. Now here on double tap, what you'll need to do is this custom actions, go to double tap, scroll down till you find lock screen. So tap on lock screen, and now what you'll need to do is head back. Now what will happen is whenever you double tap on this little icon, your phone will get turned off. So let's try that. And that's how we do it. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.